Welcome to this eye-opening look at how our everyday waste gets a second life. Today, we follow human waste from toilets all the way through a modern treatment factory.
Every day, tons of human waste, often called sewage or potty waste, flows from our homes and cities into this facility.
The journey begins with preliminary screening. Large solids, including stool, are gently separated.
Next, the waste, including organic stool matter, enters large sedimentation tanks, where heavier solids settle to the bottom as sludge. This settled sludge, rich in organic matter from human waste, is slowly pumped forward for further treatment. In the anaerobic digestion tanks, beneficial bacteria break down the organic sludge without oxygen. This biological process produces valuable biogas, mainly methane, which is captured and used as renewable energy. The treated water undergoes advanced filtration and disinfection to meet strict safety standards.
Finally, the clean water is released back into nature or reused, completing this remarkable circular process.
From toilet waste and stool to renewable energy and fertilizer, this factory transforms what we once discarded. This process significantly reduces landfill use, it cuts greenhouse gases, and it creates valuable resources. Seeing human waste turned into energy and fertilizer is a powerful reminder of what smart engineering can achieve. Modern facilities like this operate with incredible efficiency and the highest hygiene standards. The result is a true closed-loop system that benefits both the environment and our communities. What do you think about this incredible transformation? Share your thoughts in the comments below.